Hello, my name's Charles de Lastic. I'm the Managing Director of Blue Bond Tax Planning. I've been an inheritance tax specialist for more than 18 years and have helped hundreds of clients save millions of pounds on their inheritance tax planning and implementation. So today's video is around business relief plans, and should you use business relief plans instead of placing investments into trust? So should you use a range of business relief plans instead of placing investments into trust for inheritance tax planning? Well, some people, and certainly the people who market these plans, will say that, yeah, it gives you a lot of flexibility, you keep the money, you've got access to the money whenever you need it, there's a whole range of benefits, and most importantly, it's outside of your estate after 2 years. All of those are true. However, they do carry a relatively high level of risk because you are investing in one company. Now, even if that company's activities are relatively low risk, it is still an issue because it is a single company, right? And people commit fraud in companies, all sorts of things arise. Whereas if you place an investment into a trust, for instance, and you've got a wide range of investments, you're probably invested in 200 or 300 companies at the least, if you've got 15 or 20 funds in a diversified portfolio. So therefore, and usually those companies are significantly bigger than companies which can get business relief, which by definition are relatively small companies. So the risk is considerably higher, and that's the issue that we have with it. So generally speaking, we would usually advise clients to put investments into trust rather than business relief plans, unless they felt that one of them was not going to live at least 7 years for that gift to be outside of their estate for inheritance tax. The only other time is that sometimes some clients use their full allowance and money into trust, but they don't think that in 7 years' time they can place more money into trust and they've got a fair amount of assets left over, and we think, well, okay, let's put a few 100,000, for instance, into business relief plans. So it is possible, but nearly always we would suggest that you go to the investments into trust route first and business relief plans if that doesn't solve the whole problem. Okay, so hopefully that helps. If it did, please give us a thumbs up and a like. That's appreciated. It does help the channel. And thanks for listening, and bye for now.